the Blessed Man, and in this video I'm going to be demonstrating to you how you can be able to register on ZenFi using USDT on your mobile phone. So let me go and get my, okay, just go to your Trust Wallet, and then select the wallet you want to use and just go to discover. So you paste it here. Remember, what you are pasting is the referral link of your sponsor, not what you are seeing here. Just make sure you collect the correct referral link and then paste it here and click on search. So when you come here, you might see wrong network, switch network. You can just switch it and then click on accept and sign in. Okay, so let's see this process. All right, so I'll click on sign, click on accept and sign, then I'll sign. Okay, sign again. Okay, now I am about to go and activate. So of course this will be my inviter. So what I'll do is I'll just click on continue. If it is not, I'll click on change and then enter the referral link again and then click on continue. So now it's showing me to select how many slots I want to buy. I can buy 1, I can buy slot 2, and you can see it's showing me all the products I'm going to have access to. I can buy this, I can buy this. So but right now I want to buy level 10, so I'm clicking on level 10. Okay, level 10, I'm going to be buying with USDT, right? I'm going to be buying with USDT, guys. Level 10 is $10,230, and then okay, so right now I am going to move ahead and go ahead and buy. So I'll click on buy. So it's trying to mint my NFT key right now. Remember, you must have the amount that you want to use to buy your slots before you start this process. So click on approve and make sure you have some few BNB for your gas fee. Then click on approve. So let's see, guys. Boom, I am in my dashboard, guys. You can see upgrade to 11, $240. You can see my epic. This is my epic, which is NFT level 10, guys, and this is it. So this is the simple way for you to register using USDT on your mobile phone. So in the next video, I am going to demonstrate to you all of this inside this dashboard. All the things that are here, you are going to be seeing all of them. Okay, so that is it, guys.